Hello friends, today we are going to study MVI instruction of 8085 microprocessor. MVI stands for Move Immediate. This instruction will move data given in instruction into particular register. Actual format of this instruction is MVI R, data. So here R is any register. Let's say it might be accumulator, B register, C register, D register, E register, H register or L register. R can take any value from A, B, C, D, E and HL, and data is any 2-digit hexadecimal number. So this instruction will transfer that given data into that particular register. That data is given in instruction itself. Addressing mode. Addressing mode of this instruction is immediate. Why? Because here in operand data is given, and whenever in operand data is given, its addressing mode becomes immediate. Another simple rule says that whenever you see capital I somewhere in instruction, then its addressing mode becomes immediate addressing mode. This is the simplest way in which you can remember immediate addressing mode instruction. Whenever you see capital I in instruction, its addressing mode must be immediate. Group, data transfer group. This instruction comes from data transfer group. Why? Because we are transferring data. Bytes. This instruction is of 2 bytes because MVIR opcode will take 1 byte and data will take second byte. Another simple rule says that whenever you see 2-digit number in instruction, then it becomes 2-byte instruction. Remember that here data is 2-digit hexadecimal number. Flags. No flags are affected. This instruction is not going to affect any flag because this instruction is from data transfer group, and generally only arithmetic and logical group instructions affect the flag. That's why no flags are affected. Example, MVI D, 32H. So over here R is D register and data is 32 and this H indicates this 32 number is in hexadecimal format. Explanation. This instruction will copy 32H data into D register. So this 32H data will get copied into D register. That is explained in format. Data get copied into that particular register. Data is 32. That's why that 32 will get copied into D register. Before execution, let's say that content of D register was 25H, and if we execute this instruction MVI D, 32H, then after execution content of D register will become 32H. Try it yourself. Let's say that before execution content of C register is 37H and instruction is MVI C, 22H. So can you guess the content of C register after execution? And second problem is before execution content of accumulator is B0H. Here B is a hexadecimal number, B0H, and instruction is MVI A, A2H. Again here A is hexadecimal number. So can you guess content of accumulator after execution? Please give these answers in comments. Thank you.